Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to turn off your Toyota Prius hybrid. First, always make sure your vehicle is completely stopped and the gear selector is firmly in the park position. This is a crucial first step for safety and proper shutdown. Next, locate the power button, typically found on the dashboard near the steering wheel. Pressing this button initiates the shutdown sequence for your hybrid system. After pressing the power button, it's important to confirm the vehicle has fully powered down. Look at your dashboard. The ready indicator light should turn off, signifying the hybrid system is no longer active. You should also hear the engine and electric motor quiet down completely. Finally, ensure the infotainment system and any other accessories, like the air conditioning, have also powered off, indicating a complete shutdown. Before exiting your Prius, take a moment to ensure everything is secure. It's a good practice to engage the parking brake, especially if you are parked on an incline, for an extra layer of safety. Double-check that all lights, both interior and exterior, are off to prevent battery drain. Once these steps are complete, you can remove your foot from the brake pedal and safely open the driver's door to exit the vehicle. As a final check, always remember to take your key fob with you when you leave the vehicle. This action fully disarms the car and prevents unauthorized access. Before walking away, ensure all doors are securely closed and locked. Following these simple steps consistently will ensure your Toyota Prius hybrid is always turned off correctly and safely, ready for your next journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.